welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of a couple of my orders I received from the Barlow Banana Boutique warehouse sale that happened May 16th to the 21st, 2018. These are 2 of 3 of my orders, so I figured I'd share. So let's see here. So there's 2 boxes. Alright. So let's see here. This is the Tokidoki Iconic 2.0 Recharged. Okay, so it's not my print placement. I love Sandy. So you'll see, okay, not bad. I've never had one of these, so hopefully it can serve its purpose. So, all right. And then I got a Be Neat. So again, the prices were pretty good. The Iconic 2.0 Recharged was $20. And then this Be Neat was $10, which is in Black and Bloom. It's very pretty. It's the only piece I got in Black and Bloom. I didn't bother with anything else. So it's very pretty, cute. They changed the bags for the Be Neats because they used to be little pouches about half the size in the material of the bid. So, all right, let's see what's in this one. Okay, so I have a Microtech. I got it for my planner. Told was possible that it may not fit, but it's okay. I'll use it for my daughter's tablet. Let's see. We got Sandy and Macchiato Guy. There's Donatella there and Mary Mary. So my print placement would be Sandy first. Then we have Mary Mary, who I love as well, and then Peanut Butter Boy, which is not the back. So there she is, and there's Mary Mary. Oh, Peanut Butter Boy is up here. Still pretty. Like I said, I've never had one of these either. So it opens up quite nice and it's very padded. So I can't wait to try that out. Oh, and that one was, I believe, $16. All right, so we have here a Be Set in Rainbow Dreams, which seems to be opened. Weird. Okay, so this is very pretty in person. I didn't get it at release because I wasn't sure, because I like full Hello Kitty or full Tokidoki, and the collaboration of them, I wasn't sure. So, but in person, wow, it's pretty. So, I believe the sets were $26. So we got Donatella, okay, no Sandy, there's Keroppi, and then on the back here we got Sandy, okay, we got a full Hello Kitty there, and we got popcorn on the side. Ooh, I forgot it was rainbow inside, like, that is so pretty. Wow. Okay, medium set. Okay, so this is the back. Oh, I got Sandy on the front. All right. And then on the back, we got Hello Kitty there. You can hear my 8-month-old. She's playing. This is the small. So there's Maz and Keroppi, and there's Hello Kitty there. And there she is there. The Star Twins, I believe they're called. Okay. So nice. That lining. Oh. All right, so that's another Be Set. Okay. I got a Toki Pops set as well. All right, print placement. Sandy's cut off. There's Peanut Butter Boy, which I'm glad. There's the Macchiato Coffee Guy. And Donatella. and Coffee Guy. And there, we got Sandy on the back and Mary Mary. Okay. Oh, Donatella on the side. Let's see. So the medium, okay, we got Moz, milk, and the cherry yogurts. There's a good good placement of Moz. No Sandy. Okay, oh, we got Donatella here and the Twookie Pops guy. Still no Sandy. And there's milk and the yogurt cherry twins. All right, so that one again was $26 as well. Then finally, okay, we have, let me just throw this here, move it over. The Be Light in Rainbow Dreams. Let's see. All right. Yay, look, I got my placement of Sandy. I'm so happy. And then we got Donatella there, okay. Let's check out the back. Oh, Sandy again, and Donatella. Mods up here with Keroppi. There's Hello Kitty. So I plan on this one here, I'm gonna get it minied. So probably take off right at the bottom of Donatella there, like this. I haven't had a minied light yet, so I think I'm going to do it with this one. If I like it, then I'll probably buy some more to do. I want to look at this lining because I want to see what it's like in a bigger bag. And yep, just as pretty, so nice on the inside. So I am waiting for one more order from the Barla sale, and hopefully I'll have it by the end of this week and I'll do an unboxing. I believe I've got 3 or 4 more items I've ordered. So I wish I had bought more, but that's okay. I have some need for the ones I just got. Like I said, I want to get this minied. The B sets, I needed the Toki Pops to kind of complete some of my collection of that because I do have quite a bit of that and I was missing a B set that I would use. And the other B set in Rainbow Dreams for my light or whatever not, but it is so cute. And I did order some other things as gifts as well, which I won't be doing an unboxing of, but I do have another order coming. So hopefully it's here this week. Anyways, if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. Any comments or questions, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.